Right here, it's not too bad. Got a little bit, just regular rain. The sidewalk is flooded, like really, really bad. I'm wearing boots. That's how bad it is. Once we get up to this one spot, the boots aren't going to help any at all. It's going to be like trying to wade in the river with sneakers. I just hope my umbrella stays up, because it is really pouring out here. Here we go, here's the first one. It's pretty bad when a street has a current. But that's not the worst of it. The worst of it is yet to come. If it's still there, I really doubt that it would go anywhere, sensing how bad it was. The sidewalk is completely flooded. It's like the Red Sea. Except that we're supposed to go see a car. I'm wondering if this is it. Look at that. Holy crap. That's deep. This is extremely deep. Look at this. You can't even... The grass and everything is under the water. My boots are almost too small. Like, look at this crap. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get on high ground. Yeah! Alrighty. I wonder if there's a car coming. Let's hope there's a car coming, because I need to show you this. Ah, here comes one. Look at this crap. Like, it is to go so slow. Look at this. And this is an SUV, people. Look at that crap. That is a truck, and it's having a hard time getting through there. Oh, look at this. We're in a flood right now. Look at this crap. Holy crap, where is the grass, and where is the sidewalk? It's a good thing Kristen lives kind of up on a hill, because this is ridiculous. I'm glad I don't smoke anymore, because I'd have to go and get some cigarettes and this. This is so hard, it would take me an hour to get up to the store. Look at this, it's just water. Water, water, water. This is, wow. Oh, goodness. The fire hydrant is almost underwater completely. Oh. This is hard. Oh. Alright, we're up on some ground now. Oh. Look at this truck. This truck is like swamped. I don't even think I can get through this. All these cars. The electrical box is almost completely underwater. Like, this is about as far as I'm going, because if I step off this curb, I'm in water deep, deep. Look at that. The car. It's going in the grill. This is ridiculous. It's like an ocean. And I just got some in my boots. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. Here comes another wave. I'm going to get up here. Woo! That is crazy, y'all. Unbelievable. I'm thinking about going and get some swim trunks and coming out here. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This whole street is flooded. That whole street is flooded. This is crazy, y'all. Here comes a big redneck looking truck. Let's see if they'll make it. They should. He's slowing down a lot. I don't think he likes this one bit. Oh, dang. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I gotta get up here because it's about to give me some waves. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Holy crap. That's what's up, y'all. Dang, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. I'm about to have some fun.